So guys, today we are going to be making a breast ball, and it's very simple. This can be achieved in like 30 minutes max. So for this, you're going to be needing scraps of fabric, your thread, scissors, and a masking tape. So firstly, you pick a piece or a scrap and fold it into the shape of a ball. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not. I use another one to fold again. Now I'll use my thread to tie randomly all around it. And don't forget, while you're doing this, you're adjusting your piece to look more like a ball. Now I'm going to go ahead to take another piece and do the same thing. And while you're doing this, you're arranging the fabric. Just drag it from one end and arrange to form a ball. And this is basically all you're going to be doing throughout this process. You can decide to make it big or small, but I would advise big, but not too big. So now I'll use my masking tape to just hold it down. And remember, while doing this, press and knock it into the shape of a ball. Now take another one and repeat the exact same thing. Do what I'm doing. Arrange this into a ball and press while you're working your way through, or while you're working your way around the ball. So my phone actually stopped recording and I didn't know. At this stage I was actually done, but let me show you guys what I did. Fold around it again. I love this size, so I'm not doing any more. Fold. Use your thread to run it randomly all around it. It's very important you do this. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe if you have not. This is very good to iron your busts, your bustier dresses. What this thread does is it helps to keep it in place. When you're done, I'll use my masking tape to hold one or two edges together. Hit and hit, press it to get that exact shape of a ball. This is very important. You do not want to miss this particular stage. Now I'll use my masking tape to just roll it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to turn your post notifications on. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Please, I would really appreciate. Share this video with your friends and family. Check out my other videos. You might see something you like. Comment down below whichever video or which other tutorial you want to see from me and I will deliver. And here it is guys, we have come to the end of this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.